Volvo XC40 has a very cool feature called home safe lighting. Once you get home and turn off the vehicle, push the left side steering wheel lever towards the dashboard and release. Now when you exit and lock the doors, the headlights, parking lights, license plate lights and the door handle lights will stay on, illuminating the area around the vehicle and possibly the path to your house. In the central display you can change how long this home safe lighting feature should stay on. For this we have to go to settings, go to my car, go to light and lighting, exterior lights, and right here you will see the home safety light time, and we have three options: 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 90 seconds. This is how long the lights will stay on after you exit and lock the vehicle, after you have activated this feature.